Turning the engine AJ994. All turning good, all compression complete on the front. All looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. And on this side all looks good. I didn't see any damages. Compressor looking good. And turbo is in good condition. On the top all looks good as well. I didn't see any damages. On the back side all looks like so. The gear looks looking good. On this side all looking good. Sparker looking good, and alternator looking good as well. Underneath all looks like so. No damage, no broken. Turning the engine AJ994. Thank you.